Hi, and welcome to this infomercial for Storyline is Up. This is a short online course to help technology rusty instructional developers, and others, review how to use file transfer protocol methodology to upload a web-ready Storyline course to a hosted website. Obviously, if you want to develop online courses and make them available on the internet, you have to know how to do a few things. You have to know how to use the online course development software. You have to know how to publish the course you create in that software in a web-ready format, which is typically output to a folder that includes several files, and among those is an HTML file. In Storyline, the output looks like this: mycourse.storyline output. You then have to have an idea of where you want the course to be accessed, such as a particular domain on the internet. Of course, this does not mean you have created a good online course, but that is not the subject of this short course. Once you have your Storyline online course ready for the web, there's some options you can consider to get it to the web. In reality, all the options to upload to the internet use file transfer protocol, which is usually referred to as FTP. Storyline offers an FTP option within the product. I found this to be unstable. Amazon through Amazon Web Services offers a hosting option that is free for the first 12 months. To access AWS, you would use a customized product called Cloudberry Explorer. There are some tricks you need to know with this approach. For instance, you will need to set permissions and write some HTML code to set a universal permission. Do you really want to do that? Storyline is Up offers a simple, straightforward FTP process that will work for all types of file upload needs. This may be worth your investment of time. As an aside, the Storyline is Up course is free. Once you have made the right decision, and opted to use a generic file transfer protocol process to upload your Storyline course to the web, you will need to make the decision to spend some money, unless you are uploading to someone else's domain and hosting account. This could be the case if you are developing content for a client. In any event, you will need a domain and sign-in credentials for the FTP site on the hosted website. Storyline is Up uses FileZilla client as the file transfer protocol software. It is free. Part of the course shows you how to download FileZilla client, how to enter credentials, and how to select files to drag to a designated location on the hosted website. One of the nice features in Storyline is Up is you have the ability to practice using FileZilla. So you don't have to have all the other stuff to try. Remember, it is free. GoDaddy is a web services provider. You can secure both your domain and your hosting services through GoDaddy. The Storyline is Up course presents several modules on how to select a domain as well as using the hosting services. If you are creating your Storyline course for your own purposes, and you want to deliver the course on the web, then you will need a domain and web hosting. Time to spend a little money. Storyline is Up uses GoDaddy as the domain provider and the hosting provider. FileZilla is the recommended FTP product for uploading to your GoDaddy hosted website. A bonus in the Storyline is Up course is a brief look at the Adobe Muse web content creation software. This bonus section was added since most template-based websites don't allow FTP uploads. While you can link to HTTPS addresses in template-based websites, you still need a hosted website with an SSL certificate. Because of this limitation in the template-based sites, the Storyline is Up course includes some information for using Adobe Muse. This will save you some money, and give you more creative flexibility, by building your own site. Just a thought. Thanks for listening to this infomercial. I hope you will take a look at the Storyline is Up course. There are some games, some assessments, and some simulations to help you refresh those rusty skills or maybe add some new skills. Knowing how to use file transfer protocol and working with your own website, even if you have to spend a little money, will add valuable skills that you can use in a variety of areas. Go ahead, give it a try. It is free.